Today we talk about how can you exit of your account on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do to exit of your account, you just go here above this sign, just click on it. When just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now to exit of your account, or just click here on exit here. When just click here on exit, then it's going to exit with you automatically here of your account on your Zello app. So here it's going to show no offline here. When you click on exit, it's going to show for you no online, sorry. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.